What is going on, Bitcoin hodlers, solo miners? It's your boy, the Bitcoin Nurse, coming back at you. It's 420. We got Bitcoin pumping, 104,600. We got altcoins moving up a little bit. We'll see what happens. But NerdQaxe++, running smooth since the cleaning and thermal pasting reapplication this morning. 420, baby. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Got the Golden Nugget micro miner. This is a live price counts. So 4:21 p.m. Sunday, November 9th. That's what you got. Bitcoin is what you want to be focused on. NerdQaxe+, running good, 2,900. A little warmer than the plus. It doesn't have a rear fan, and the stand is not the best for airflow for the B-Rig Heatsinks, as you can see. But it is what it is. I really don't want to spend more money on another stand. So we're gonna let it run to the moon, baby. Look at that. Like that coaster? I think you can get that at cryptocloaks.com. Along with that custom NerdQaxe++ case. All right, it's Bitcoin Nurse. Y'all have a good night. See you later. Peace.